హలో గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. సో ఈరోజు మనము బడ్జెట్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. బడ్జెట్ అండ్ అకౌంటింగ్ గురించి. ఓకే, బడ్జెట్ ఎవ్రీ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ వర్క్ రిలేటెడ్ టు పీపుల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అండ్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ సపోర్ట్ ఆర్ నెససరీ ఫర్ ద కన్సర్న్డ్ డెవలప్మెంట్. ప్రతి ఒక్కరు ఏ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అయినా, ఏ సంస్థ అయినా, ఏదైనా, ఏ పని జరగాలన్నా, ఏదో డెవలప్మెంట్ చెందాలన్నా, మనం డెవలప్ అవ్వాలన్నా కావలసింది డబ్బు ఉంటేనే మనకి వాల్యూస్ అనేవి పెరుగుతాయి. డబ్బు వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్, వెరీ నెససరీ. బట్ expenditure in a planning was need a pre-plan of income and expenditure plan or plan of income and expenditure, which called as a budget. So this is a financial plan or to assess to expenditure. Budget, it is not a view word. The work budget is financial term which has nice history. The word budget is derived from a French word. Budget mean is the leather bag or violet. Leather bag or violet. The term was used for the first time in 1733 in a leather bag or violet. The term was used, the budget pointed against Walpole's financial plan for the year. The chancellor of the exclusive used to carry leather bag continuing prepares on the financial plan for the country to the House of Commons. So when set off to plan with the budget, that the financial statement of a country has come to be known the budget. So budget definitions. DMOC. A budget is a financial plan summarizing the financial experience of the first staffing. Next, Orlord or Buse. Next, Monroe budget. Next, Renu Stone. According to budget definitions. Okay, next points. Budget related to financial transactions. Second point, this is a financial plan for the organization as well as for the development. Next point, this plan indicates not only the expenditures but also the collection of the funds. Next, importance of budget. Explain that budget is important and administration since it acts as tool for it and as introduction for social and economic policy as well as planning. As a tool of administration, the budget is important since from 19th century. The financial of state has increasing meaningful in all directions. In order to standards financial allocations of expenditures, several development in financial administrations. Okay, budget is schedule of activities. Next, elements of budget. 3 elements. It requires some authority of sanction is it. Next, second element, it is for a limited period. Third element, it is required with produce and manner for collection of revenue and administrations of expenditure. Fourth, acts as control mechanism of financial efforts. Fifth, budget denotes the document which contain estimates of renewal and expenditure. Next, functions of budget. Number one function, it shows details of source available with the organization. Next, it fixed priority among needs as per resource. Next, explain that functions budget. Third, enhance efficiency of the organization. Fourth, it provides systematic complaints of goals of organization. Fifth, it presents the whole pictures of the organization. Sixth, it acts as a means of controlling organization. Seventh, it paves the way for formulations of socio-economic policies. 8. It is helpful in extensions of plan and programs. 9th, it acts guide to staff of organizations about the manner of spending money on various schemes and head of accounts. Next, type of budget. Annual, long term budget, number of time budget, 3 types of budget. Next, social welfare of agencies consider the following as type of budget: single or in combination from A. Line item budget, B. Program budgeting, C. Financial budgeting, C. Zero based budgeting. Next, explain that formulation of budgeting. Main steps involvement in number one step, specific goals to needs. This goal and objectives can be observed and measures for the purpose of periodic evaluation of the performance of agency in the delivery of social service. Next, second formulation, as creating facts regarding the operational of agency. Next, third, looking at specific alternative for the operational of agency organization, particularly in terms of money. Next, fourth, deciding upon periodics for the agency. Next, fifth function, finalizing decision regarding the budget. Next, explain that sixth one, providing advocate interpretations and public relations. Next, interpretations of public relations. A. Pre-planning, B. Launching that the planning budget. Next, principles of budget. Number one, principles, balanced budget. Number two, sign budget. Number three, principles of budgeting. These principles are as follows: balanced budget. Next, number two, single budget. Number three, annuality of budget. Number four, superior is carrying the responsibility. Number fifth, cash basis estimates. Number six, budget on gross income. Number seventh, estimate on accuracy. Number eighth, executive discussion. Number 9. Number 9, the form of estimate should match with the form of account. Next, explain the preparation of budget. Nothing but problems are the follows. Number one problem, the income is not fixed. Number two, budget has to be prepared as for rules and regulations are grant giving agency which sometimes does not match with the policy object of organization. Number third, to fulfill the commitment to share of organizations in case of taking grants in aid, the budget is prepared unrealistic manner. Fourth, resource in term of donations, submission, subscriptions, etc. Fifth, due to lack of resource for taking the service of knowledge persons to export in making the budget. Next, sixth, the quantitations of assist and liberations of difficult. Next, seventh, dominations of vested interest in these organizations to budget is prepared as free whims of executive of this organization instead of rules and regulations. Number 8, poor maintenance or not availability for record creates problems in the preparing budget. Number 9, dominance of target systems or affects the prepares as so skim the realistic budget. Next, 10th, problems arise in decreasing nature and type of budget. Next, B, implementation of budget. Number 1, implementation problem due to unrealistic estimates of income and expenditure. Number 2, implementation released of funds from grants giving agencies is not timely. Number 3, not following the rules and regulations due to visited interest. Number 4, absence of system of prepared, maintaining and evaluation of expenditure. Number 5, lacks expects the documents thinking professionality. Next, 6th, lack of prepared control, direction and supervision. Number 7, absence of creations to measures efficiency and efficientness of the budget. Number 8, difficult to calculate outcome of the budget.